In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Bitbucket. By the end, you'll have the Bitbucket app installed in your Slack workspace so you can streamline updates and stay on top of activity without leaving your channels. Start by opening your browser and going to app.slack.com, then sign in to the workspace where you want the integration. It's best to use a web browser or the Slack desktop app so the interface looks the same as what I'm describing. If you use multiple workspaces, double check you're in the correct one before proceeding. In Slack, look to the left sidebar and click the option labeled More. Depending on your version, it may appear as an ellipsis icon with additional options tucked inside. This is where Slack keeps extra features you don't use every day. From there, click Tools. This opens a small menu that points you to different helper sections. You're heading to the place where apps live, so this is the right path. Next, click Apps. That will open Slack's app directory within your workspace, where you can search for and install official integrations. In the search bar at the top, type Bitbucket and press Enter. You should see a result for the Bitbucket app. Look for the recognizable Bitbucket icon and confirm you're opening the correct listing. This helps you avoid similar tools that aren't what you need. If you notice other apps in the results like OneDrive or SharePoint, don't worry, that's normal. The directory shows a mix of popular tools. Simply ignore those and stick with the Bitbucket result to continue. Open the Bitbucket app page and click Install. If you don't see the install option, you may need workspace permission to add apps. In that case, ask your Slack admin to allow the app or to install it for you. When prompted, click Add to Slack. This starts the connection process between your workspace and the Bitbucket app and may briefly open a new browser tab to complete the setup. Slack will show a permissions screen explaining what the app can access and post. Review the details, and when you're ready, click Allow. This gives the app the authorization it needs to send notifications and interact with your channels as described. Once approved, the Bitbucket app will appear in your Apps section in Slack. From here, you can fine-tune how it posts and where it posts. If you want quick access, pin the app in your sidebar. That's it. You've connected Slack to Bitbucket and set the stage for smoother collaboration.